presentation about technology and assessment. So before that, we would like to introduce our group members. My name is Nikita Suryanizi and my friends.
My name is Nikomang Puspadewi.
And my name is Lopotokawi Idyasti.
And let's start it. Puspa, time is yours.
Okay, Surya, thank you for the time. And I will explain the introduction of technology and assessment. The evolution of educational technologies can be traced to the myriad tools, platform, and system developed over the decades to amplify and support the educational journey. From basic teaching, it's such as chalkboard and the sophisticated digitally enabled platform powered by AI. The core tenet of these technologies remain unchanged, enhancing the quality, efficiency, and personalization of the learning experience to cater to the diverse needs of learners. Colin and Halverson 2018. Parallel to these technologies, advancement assessment practice have also evolved. Assessment practice which revert to the method and those educators employ the evaluate, document, and interpret student academic proficiency and skill mastery play a pivotal role in the academic journey. They inform critical decision, be it in grading, student placement, progression, or curriculum adjustment, shaping the overall educational trajectory. Berman and Friends 2016, Brockhart 2014, Taylor and Nolan 2005. Okay, next I will explain the technology and assessment. In the modern era, technology has begun to be integrated into assessment practice, which use technology-based tools and systems to design, implement, monitor, and evaluate the learning assessment process. Modern technologies such as adaptive learning platform and immersive simulation over environment where students can actively construct knowledge through exploration, reflection, and application. Within this technological environment, assessment become more than just gauges of recall they default into deeper cognitive process, gauging, understand, and practical application. Okay, next, explained by Surya.
Okay, thank you, Puspa, the time's given to me. And next, I will explain about the example of technology and assessment. Number one is CBA, computer-based assessment. Is assessment that delivered via computer instead of paper, ranging from simple quizzes to complex simulation. For example, Google Form or Microsoft Form is an auto-grade quizzes. Quizzes is a game-based formative assessment. TOEFL IBT or PISA Digital is a high-stakes international test. Number two is LMS, Learning Management System. It is a platform that used to manage, deliver, and track learning and assessment activities. For example, Google Classroom, Moodle, Canvas, and Blackboard. Number three is AI-powered assessment tools. The use of artificial intelligence to evaluate, adapt, or provide the feedback on student work. For example, Grammarly, real-time grammar, tone and clarity feedback. Gradescope is AI-assisted grading for math, science, and written work. Socratic by Google is AI-supported help with homework and explanation. Turnitin with AI feedback is suggests, edits, or flags academic issues. And last is e-portfolios. It's a digital collection of student work over time, often use of reflective, performance-based, or project assessment. For example, CSAL for younger learners, Google Sites or OneNote class notebook, and Mahara, higher 80. And next, I will be explain the application of technology and assessment. It's Google Site and Turnitin. First, Google Site is digital platform for organizing classes, uploading materials, giving assignments, exams, and monitoring student progress. And the Turnitin is an online tools that using AI helps checks if a student's writing is original or copied from other sources. It is mostly used by teachers and schools to check for plagiarism, which is mean copying someone else's work without permission. And next, we'll explain by Khalid.
So thank you, Surya, for the time. So here I will explain about advantage and disadvantage of using technology in assessment. So first I will explain about the advantage. First, automatic correction for objective question. So this automatic correction is really help for some teachers in assessment because it will be make it more easier and faster. And next, practical and paper shaping. Next, result can be obtained immediately. Next, can be done from anywhere. So by using technology, the assessment can be done anywhere. And then helps teacher understand individual student needs. Next, encourage database decision making. And then help students learn at their own pace and ability level. And the last, AI can provide automatic feedback and even for essay. And then there are disadvantages in using technology in assessment. First, requires infrastructure such as computer and internet connection. So, however, in some areas, it's really hard to obtain the computer and internet connection. So this one is one of challenges of using technology in assessment. And next, potential for cheating if not supervised. And then suitable for assessing practical skills. And then data privacy needs to be maintained. And then not all schools have a system that support it. And then high development costs. And the last needs supervision so that the role of the teacher is not completely replaced. So it's about advantage and disadvantage. I will explain about the conclusion next. The conclusion of this presentation. So technology is an important part of the assessment process. Technology has an important influence in educational assessment by providing a more accurate and a faster way. However, its implementation must be accompanied by infrastructure, readiness, and increased user capacity. Thus, the use of technology in educational assessment must be designed carefully so that it can support the improvement of the quality of learning and student learning outcomes. Guys, so I think that's all about our presentation. So if there are any questions, you can ask it below in the comment section. And see you guys! Thank you!